Hey you guys, and welcome back to Pray.Plan.Repeat. I am Chanel. Thank you so much for coming by. I know a lot of you have not seen me in a minute, like 2 years, you guys. I'm sorry. I apologize. We moved like a year ago. We do have a dog, if I've never mentioned that. He is loud, so you'll probably hear him. I just got back from the grocery store, you guys, and I'm gonna do a haul video for you guys because I have to get ready to meal prep for this weekend. I work on the weekends, you guys, so I have to be up at 4 o'clock in the morning. So it's already 3:07 in the afternoon and I need to get moving. So I am going to start with Aldi's first. I really do love Aldi's. So starting with Aldi's, we got some hash browns. I got some cheese here. I know I have cheese in the refrigerator, but I grabbed some more. I wanted to try these egg rolls, so I grabbed chicken and pork, as you guys can see. I grabbed me some cauliflower rice, you guys. I actually been losing weight. I managed to keep off so far 8 pounds, and my aim is roughly 30 to 40 pounds. So far I'm down 8 pounds, and I'm super happy about that. I grabbed some lunch meat. The boys actually like this. I grabbed these. I know these are getting more expensive. I know when I first moved out to Texas, well, we should take a bit. Before I moved to Texas, these were under $5. Now these are like $9. So I'm going to be honest, I need to find me a different alternative for breakfast sandwiches. If you guys have any ideas, please let me know. I got a thing of ground turkey. I got some chicken leg meat. I really do like cooking these, like really juicy depending on how you cook them. And I also got a family pack of chicken thighs. Now, what else I got from Aldi's is over here on the other side of the counter. Sorry, y'all. We got some graham crackers. We got the boys some Cheez-Its. I got them some more loofahs. I got 2 bags of these chips here because they were like $1 or something. I got some Sun Chips, 2 different kinds. I got a bag of pretzels back there. I got bell peppers. I got the good stuff, the Dukes, mayonnaise over there, celery. I really do like these as like a healthy snack, you guys. These right here, if you have ever tried these at Aldi's, super good, super delicious. I like them a lot. All right, I'm trying to steady you guys here. So we got some carrots back here. I got a head of lettuce. We got some cucumbers. Really do like these. I got some relish, some baking soda, baking powder, vanilla, Dijon mustard. We got some peanut butter. Oh, I'm going to show you guys these. We got these over here. This is for a dinner. I already have a bag and a half of these already. I just needed another one. If you guys do not know, I am a family of 5. Okay? 5. Me, hubby, 3 boys. All right? 3 boys between the ages of 12 and 16. All right. So I needed an extra can of corn, so I picked one of these up. I already have a few of these, but you can never go wrong with grabbing another one, especially if you don't remember. I got a package of the tortillas. These are the flour ones, basically meant for burritos. A thing of sweet onions, 2 bags of apples. These are the Pink Lady apples. We love these a lot. We got some snacks here. We got some honey buns. Y'all, in this economy, I don't spend a lot on, on food and stuff. So we got some cookies the boys likes. I needed some hot dog buns. Picked up some of those. I love my skinny bread here. They sell these at Aldi's. I got 1, 2, flip these around for you guys. So I got 2 of these loaves of bread. I got some potatoes. I got the skinny bagels here, you guys, to make myself breakfast sandwiches. And I also got one of these English muffins. I know I have 2 in the freezer, and I'm going to use those first to make the breakfast sandwiches. Now we're going to move on to Wally World. All right, so Walmart stuff, I can put the camera down. So I got some brown sugar. I wanted to have one of these as like a treat for work or whenever I want something sweet. I love these cranberry orange muffins. The boys don't, but I love these. So I'm actually going to make them some chocolate chip muffins from scratch. I needed some more baking spray, and this is for, pancakes and waffles. There we go. You guys, the waffle maker I wanted. I did not want to spend the money at the time. So I picked up this little mini one. I know it's going to take me a minute, but I picked this up. I needed a new one of these, the handheld frother, because I like to drink matcha. So I got one of these. I wanted this for the a mandolin, for the whole new cucumber salad trend that's going on, you guys. I got a lot of stuff for that. I got 2 things here of breakfast sausage. Got some Canadian bacon for also breakfast breakfast sandwiches. Whoa, you guys, sorry. I love these freaking links right here. So I got these for myself. I got a pack of bacon for the breakfast burritos. These are actually for the breakfast burritos. And as you guys saw me pulling these out, I got this big old thing of eggs here. I got me some coffee creamer. You guys, I do not drink milk or any kind of or dairy really at all. So I drink almond milk and I use almond creamer. I got some beef base and I got 2 of these here. I can show you guys. I got 2 of these here for my dry laundry detergent. I mix it myself along with one of these. And one more thing. So I did not want to go to Sam's, so I went ahead and I picked up this pack of toilet paper. When I go to Sam's in a few days, probably on my next day off, which will be on Monday, I'll probably go ahead and pick up, well, I won't go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and go to Sam's, pick up the big thing of toilet paper and paper towel and some other few things. Yeah. So that is everything I picked up in my grocery haul, you guys. If you guys are interested in a cook with me or how I meal prep and fill up my deep freezer, go ahead and let me know and I will go ahead and film a video like that for you guys. But thank you so much for coming by and hanging out with me. Once again, I am so sorry I've been gone for like 2 years, you guys. It's just a lot's happened in life and you gotta deal with life first. So thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys again soon. Bye.